Hey guys, my name is Julian Negley, and this is my 15112 Spring 2015 term project. Pac-Maps is a program that gives the user the freedom of playing Pac-Man wherever there are roads in the world. Now, starting with the basics, the user will have the option of either entering a URL or an address at which they'd like to play Pac-Man on. The URL will have to come from google.com/maps, whereas the address is the location of any place that they'd like to play Pac-Man on. Now, starting with the controls, they are a bit different from regular Pac-Man controls. Instead of using the arrow keys to switch directions when on a road, we'd be pressing spacebar. This is because we'll come across curved roads and diagonals, and knowing which arrow keys to use can be pretty difficult and confusing. So to avoid this issue, we'll just press spacebar to switch direction. Now, if we do come across an intersection, we'll have to use the arrow keys to move in the direction we'd like. The rules, however, are very similar to the regular Pac-Man rules. Our goals will be to pick up the yellow Pac dots, all of the yellow Pac dots, while maintaining the high score we possibly can. We have 3 lives to do so, and we must avoid ghosts at all costs, otherwise we will be losing lives. However, if we do pick up a power pellet, this will allow the Pac-Man to eat the ghosts, who will then become blue to notify you that they are now in defense mode, and you are the one in attack mode. Here we have an example of an image from google.com/maps, and if I were to take the URL from this image, we will put it into our URL slot, and my program will run and process the image and turn it into a playable Pac-Man board. And so what it will do is it will spawn the Pac-Man at the left side of the board. And so here it is. And so where the roads meet the border of the image is exactly where what we call a portal resides. And so the portals are mapped to other portals, and these are color coordinated with the portal that they will map to. So this black one here would map to the one that's in the top right corner. And so obviously if we were to collide with a ghost, we would lose a life, as we just did. And the difficulty settings of this Pac-Man game is by a radius at which the Pac-Man has, and it's determined by its difficulty. And so the harder the difficulty, the larger the radius. And what this radius does is it looks to see if there's a ghost within that radius, and all of the ghosts that are within that radius will begin to follow the Pac-Man. And so the larger the radius, the more ghosts that will be following the Pac-Man, and ultimately the harder the game. And so if we were to lose another life here, we'd be at 1 life, and if we were to lose 1 more, the game would be over, and we'd have the option of selecting another map or returning to the main menu. That is my 15112 term project. Thank you for watching.